There's so many possibilities in here. It's
Wow.
super fun.
It's wild. So we're back. This is a fast one. Usually our updates are like 6 months apart from each other.
No, we're on it.
We're trying harder.
Things are moving along. Got stuff to share. A lot of stuff's happening.
It's kind of funny. So last night I sat down and started watching our YouTubes, and I never do that. But I went back and watched our 1 month one. I was kind of
1 month into full-time traveling.
Yeah, our 1 month into full-time traveling, which was the first time her and I ever sat down and did one like this. And it's just crazy what we were talking about. We were talking about being together with a family all the time and how hard that first month had been with all of us together. You know, we were annoyed at all the kids. It was just...
I'm annoyed at all my kids every day.
It's just so weird. And then when we fast forward to the one that we did when we were having to settle down, when we were pregnant with him and decided to stop, and all of the worries were the complete opposite. Where now we didn't want to be away from the kids. You know, we were talking about having too much space. Whereas the 1 month video, it was all about there's not enough space. There's all of these. It's just so weird how after doing it, it changes how you approach all of it.
Yeah.
It's just crazy. And then I watched the videos when we were in the middle of selling our trailer, Oklahoma filming, and then we're in Houston filming, and thinking it's crazy that we did all of those things.
Mm-hmm.
And then I think right now how crazy we still are.
Well, it's funny because when we have another announcement to make, it's we thrive on change and we thrive on things like being different, and we get kind of stuck in the monotony, and then we're like, okay, what's next? And I don't know if many people do that.
Well, no, I think that choosing this lifestyle then also makes you choose different parts of it. You're constantly choosing, whereas if you're just working and living in a home and doing, a pretty similar routine every day,
yeah,
before you know it, a year's passed, and it's
I wonder though why I can't be okay with that. For so long I had wanted the routine and wanted the home and the stability and somewhere to raise my kids and grow old, and that was just what I wanted. And then after losing my first husband, that was the last thing I wanted.
You think that's what it was?
Oh yeah. I didn't want that. I wanted change. I wanted something different. I didn't want to stay put. So I think maybe you just learn life can be over so quick. Why just live day to day the same? So I don't know.
It's just crazy. And when we're in the thick of it, right now, I look around and I think, man, did we bite off more than we can chew?
No. I never think that.
I know, but I'm the one in here looking at things going, oh my gosh, I have to rebuild all of these things.
Well, I'm standing in our house thinking, oh my gosh, I have to get rid of all of these things and pack us and fit everything into a fifth wheel. So I think we've both taken on an equally stressful amount of work.
It's pretty crazy. But like I said, we'd thrive on that.
Yeah.
It's if we weren't doing this,
we'd be raising our kids and running around to sports and still busy, but we like the chaos.
Yeah, it's pretty weird.
And that we like the dreaming. We love dreaming and coming up with something and then watching it happen.
Yeah, I guess then actually have
the
it.
fruition of it all is super rewarding.
Can you see us through there?
Nope.
Come here. Come sit over here.
Come on. Show them how awesome your overalls are.
Nope.
Can you bring me my Starbucks? So we're sitting here today and Travis has ripped out and just destroyed this
Pretty
place.
much, this fifth wheel, it looks, you'd walk in and have no idea what it did look like.
No, but
At
what's
all.
so rad is it's got a complete blank slate now. There's
Yeah.
so many ideas, and I'm looking up right now at what's going to be a big loft area for the boys. So they're essentially going to have a bedroom back here with 2 spaces. Above will be the beds and their sleeping area, and then below is like, I mean, we're sitting right now where I think we're gonna put their desks because they'll be homeschooling again, and I'm looking forward and I'm thinking, okay, their closet locker systems that Travis is gonna build can go there. This shelf that I have is gonna go there, and just like a big rug here, and how cool this whole space is gonna look in the end. The vision that I have is so fun. And yeah, so this has been,
It's wild, it's only like day 4 of touching this thing,
yeah.
and it's completely gutted almost. Like,
Yeah,
beyond
it's-
anyone we've done, for sure.
The fastest.
Well, and the most taken out. It's gonna be
Yeah,
the
we're
most
definitely
customized that we've done by far.
Yeah, we're,
Which is,
For sure.
I mean, awesome that we get to kind of redesign it exactly what we want as a home.
yeah, and this is long term for us. This isn't just a year of travel and then we'll sell it. Like,
No.
we're looking at this space as a pretty, long term home
Yeah.
for as, as long as it works for all of us. So,
Yeah, and it'll be a more stationary than travel. So we're kind of focusing on that, but we still have to have the ability to move it and travel with it.
and we do plan to travel. We plan, as soon as we move in, we plan to hit the road for a while.
Yeah.
Just to get out and travel again, and we'll come back, and we've got a wedding to photograph and birthday parties, and then some work that we're going to take on, and then we'll head back out for a little bit. So that definitely is going to be movable,
Oh, yeah.
but in the long run, it'll be a little more stationary.
Mm-hmm.
But there's so many possibilities in here. It's
Wow.
super fun.
It's wild. And it's been fun documenting it more. I've actually liked that, and I didn't think I would.
Yeah, so
That's
don't
been
mind
fun.
the camera to the iPhone to the GoPro to the video changes. We're still trying to figure out what works best for us when it comes to this YouTube thing.
Yeah. But
And I'm not the best editor. It's just what you get. So you can't make comments right now because YouTube took our comments away. So it's kind of nice not having judgy comments in our YouTubes because I don't feel so bad about what I'm putting out there. It is what it is. If you like it, keep watching. If not,